Hello everyone, how to solve for x in this equation. So let's get started. The very first thing we will state is x is never equal to 0 because of the denominators, right? Then on the left hand side of the equation, we will find the LCM, which is x to the second power. X to the second power goes into itself 1 times 1, we have 1. Then x goes into x squared x. Then times 2, we're going to have 2x is equal to 3. Then we will multiply each side of the equation by x squared, so that this and this will go. We have 1 plus 2x is equal to 3x squared. Then we will equate everything to 0. So we have 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can use factoring method to solve. You just multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant, which is negative 1. So we have 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. So we will find two factors that when you multiply them, you will get negative 3, but when you sum them up, you will get negative 2. And the factors are 1, negative 3. So let's put these factors into the equation so that we get 3x squared minus 3x plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, we can take 3x out. So we have 3x times x minus 1. Then from here, we are left with x minus 1. And this is equal to 0. Since we have x minus 1 here, we can also factor it. X minus 1 times, here we have 3x, then here we have plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here, we can state that x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, then it means x is equal to 1, or if 3x plus 1 is 0, it means 3x is equal to minus 1. Then we will divide each side of the equation by 3, so that this and this will go. We have x is equal to minus 1 over 3. So these are the values of x. X is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus 1 over 3. So let's go ahead and then put the value of x into the equation to see whether they satisfy the equation. It is rather obvious that if you put x is equal to 1 into the equation, you will definitely get 3. So let's go ahead and then test for x is equal to negative 1 over 3. I'm writing it here. We're going to have 1 over negative 1 over 3 squared plus 2 over negative 1 over 3. So if we simplify this, we have 1 over 9 plus, this is also 2 times negative 3. We can also write this as 9, because if you simplify this, you get 9 minus 6, which is 3. So of course, x equals negative 1 over 3 satisfies the equation as well. So we can conclude that these answers of x are correct. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video. Until then, bye bye.